Ayush Jadhav, the General Secretary of CURSA Council, Computer Engineering Department, Goa College of Engineering. We are hosting an event, two-day technical national level event, Techniques 2025. It's organized on 20th and 21st of March. There are various events across the 2 days, including 24-hour hackathon, 12-hour UI UX designathon, 12-hour CTF Cybersecurity Challenge. Apart from that, there are other competitive events such as competitive programming, code in chaos. There are gaming events such as FIFA, Valorant. There are other cultural events such as quiz, debates. So these all events are spread across 2 days. Apart from events, we have a project expo wherein the students of our college and our department display their projects, the innovative projects which they have created during their coursework. The topics are like Right Buddy, LLM-driven approach to detect ASD, the crash detecting system, and also web page builder. This event is organized by the students of the computer engineering department, and there are around 700 participants participating from the state of Goa and across the other states of India too. So we would like everyone to join us on day 1 and day 2, and we are open, and let the game begin and let the creativity unleash. Thank you.
So there are cash prizes also that are organized for.
Yeah, there are cash prizes. We have a prize pool of rupees 1.5 lakh for all the events, and the highest stake event is our hackathon, which is our flagship event, which is a 24-hour event.
This is the effortless bag. So most students, working professionals also, they often have to carry very heavy bags, and mostly they'll be using these bags for a long period of time. So what we have done is we've taken a normal bag and we have modified it such that even if it is actually heavy, when you wear it, it doesn't feel as heavy. So it feels effortless to wear this bag. So now I'll show you a demo. So can you first just hold it and see how heavy it is? It feels quite heavy. So but then when you wear the bag, these straps, feels like it's good.
Math my event. What my project does is an event. It's a big thing. There are many venues to be covered. What my project solves is it gives a 3D map of the entire event. It tells you if you are at this position, what's the correct route and what's the most efficient route from going to this to a position where you don't want to miss the show. For the best example, today's techniques, right? So I just took out the map of the entire computer department, built it within just 3 days, and gave you a solution wherein standing outside the department, all the venues are just listed out. I could go from outside the department to CG lab. Where is chess going on? Directly here.
Smart charger in the sense, it is a combination of a charger as well as an integrated power bank. Nowadays, whenever we charge phone, we encounter the problem of overcharging. So in order to solve that problem, we have developed this project, wherein it has an auto power off feature, as well as it can store excess power in the power bank when the phone is fully charged.
So later when we integrate the microphone, it will know that it says sound. For now I'm typing it out. So you'll see that it sounds like you're feeling a bit inside. So it knows that when a response is very disengaging. And remember the interest that you tap on the interest. It'll go to the profile and you'll see that how about we take a moment to relax and listen to some calming music. So it knows that the entity that is created.
They just wake up and stop the alarm clock. So they procrastinate the sleeping. They try to sleep for 5 minutes, more. That goes up. So we want to make the person physically wake up and go to one mat and stand on the mat. So this is the model wherein this will be the force sensor inside the mat. So when the person tries to stand on the mat, the force is detected. Now we have made a creative one like a game type. So when the green light blinks, the person has to stand on the mat and immediately get up. So if the person has been around, the RGB light will be or else the red light. And there are 10 rounds total. So you have to win 5 around that. If he wins the 5, the alarm clock will get off.
So students, the lectures get over. So the problem is the next bus. To catch the bus, they have to go downhill. Many students get their cars, bikes over here. So Ride Buddy is a platform for GC students, so that they can carpool together. So students can publish their rides, their names, their ages, their department, from where they are going, the price they want. So then students can book the rides. They can contact a driver and book the rides. So this platform allows for conserving petrol. It allows students also to earn some little money from the rides.
They don't have design or coding knowledge. So the solution to this is I made a builder, so you can generate a whole website. Like you can put a prompt or you can manually design it, and it gives you the whole code. And if you don't need to have any designing or coding knowledge.
Connect the organized and unorganized sector of scraps. So as we know that unorganized sectors consist of the local kabaddi walas and all, and the organized sectors consist of the real scrap dealers who are on the real hierarchy level, and they sell the scrap to them. So what we did is this website is a medium to connect the unorganized sector and organized sector, and we can directly connect the dealers and customers to sell the scrap. So this is our website, and any normal user can directly publish an item using this dashboard. And we also have, and for other people who doesn't know to use the website, we also made a Telegram chatbot which we can use to publish these items. So this chatbot is used, and it prompts you to upload the images and all. So this is a real quick demo of it. So if I'm putting this on the Scrap website, it will prompt me for the name and all, just to enter your full name. Then we can enter our full name, and then it will directly listed on the site. And we can contact the seller and directly buy the item.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.